bathroom has been completely transformed. It was a smaller space and it felt really dark, so we really wanted to brighten it up. We went with the classic all-white bathroom and brought in some really fun patterns and texture and just kept it light, which made it feel bigger and more open. With the help of Build.com, we're able to get all these products to make it come to life.
I loved working with them on this bathroom project. This shower is filled with natural light, which looks great on the textured tile. One of the biggest components of a bathroom remodel is choosing the right shower system, which is really personal for you. As a project expert at Build.com, it's my job to make that easy. You could start with a shower like this, which has an overhead shower and a hand shower component, but you're not limited to that. You could add body sprays, an overhead rain shower. The combinations are endless. Whatever your preferences are, Build.com can help you build a custom shower system for your bathroom project.